Hey everybody, Bob over at Koch 33 Toyota. Exciting news. We have a Memorial Day event going on this weekend here at Koch 33 Toyota. I'd like to tell you about a few things. We have brand new Camrys on special, getting up to about 50 miles a gallon for our customers, and you can have one of these in your driveway over the holiday weekend. All right, here we are at one of our fan favorites. We have upfitted this brand new 2025 Tacoma. It's built like we want to own it, and this is part of the Upfit Edition. We're having a huge event going on next weekend, and this is here. It's got the tire upgrade, it's got the wheel upgrade, the lift kit, the light bars, and we're pumped and excited for you because these are all specials for Memorial Day. All right, now here we are looking at something that is my favorite vehicle that we have here at Toyota. This is the Crown Signia Edition. And what this offers is the best of hybrid, the best of all-wheel drive, and the best of our latest technology, all on special for Memorial Day weekend. Personal favorite. Look at this. Solar Octane TRD Pro here at Koch 33 Toyota. The last body style here at Koch. And guess what? It's been reduced specially for the Memorial Day weekend here at Koch 33. Oh my gosh, CA Chisel. Look at this car. This is two-tone, this is certified, only here at Koch 33 Toyota for Memorial Day weekend. All right, now let's talk about Tacomas. This is our true passion here at Koch 33 Toyota. This is the true Upfit Edition. Look at the light bar, look at the fog lamps, look at the lift kits. This is where we build them just like we want to own them. We're out here, we have specialized upfitters right here at Koch 33 Toyota. We have literally 100 Tacomas available and Tundras in stock, ready to go here at Koch 33 Toyota for the weekend, all specially priced. This is where to be for the holiday weekend here for Memorial Day at Koch 33 Toyota.